Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Easy Toys Black Anal Douche. So let's get started. So this is the Black Anal Douche itself. Now it's favourite among lovers of anal play, and you can enjoy a simple insertion thanks to the easy to use nozzle and the bulbous body. Give yourself peace of mind and explore anal sex, foreplay or masturbation without worries. This anal douche is available in 3 different sizes and offers effective and mess-free intimate cleansing. It's simple and easy to use. To start, remove the nozzle and fill the bulbous body with lukewarm water. Once it's filled, gently pop the nozzle back on and make sure it won't leak out. Then squeeze the bulbous body and you can enjoy a hygienic cleaning experience. We'd recommend to use this a few times to make the most out of your experience. Do you want to use the intimate douche both anally and vaginally? Always clean both the inside and the outside very well with lukewarm water and a toy cleaner to minimize any harmful bacteria. Make sure to clean with toy cleaner and lukewarm water after every use. And that is the Easy Toys Black Anal Douche. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.